Pockets of people's stories, cradled by brick and mortar, amidst the rubble and murmur, living catalysts of love. Paint gallons of life undreary, dance over mundane and void. Solitude birthed a smile that sought community and good. Built towers of noise aside us, such transients won't quake, a spirit not stone cemented, but blood and flesh and faith. We were never derelict, just displaced and out of sight, carrying home inside us when home they tried to break.